Yo, 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 yo. Wagwan, my people. Welcome back to the channels, Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now, me look for the positive side of everything. Yes, me not like the negative part. So, the positive part is what me like to look for and for sure, no. Yes, that's what you go get on my channel. The negative, no, you're not gonna get the negative. So today, me have one positive, three the hard way. You want me say? Three the hard way. So my people, me come upon a video where it's nice, it's sweet, it's authentic, it's full of vibes. So in this video is Sunrise Boss get a business. He can get a tour because Sunrise Boss have a YouTube channel too. If you don't know, subscribe to Sunrise Boss, go over there, check him out. That youth there, remember me telling that youth there, sweet, that youth there, nice, that youth there, authentic, that youth there, full of vibes. Check out Sunrise Boss. So Sunrise Boss get some client from overseas. It happened as the client when him get from overseas, him Sunrise Boss I take them to another YouTuber. Me nah go say nothing more, me just I go show no what I go on. I don't know see what I go on. No say a word. Peace out. Watch the video.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the one that I'm going to take picture.
Yeah man, that a code. just want to see.
People, you just see what is happening. They link up. The biggest, the baddest, link up. Not only Sunrise Boss bringing guests don't go and Miss Liquor at kitchen in a Portland, where the Portland, but guess who coming at the place? Colaz Smith coming at the place, and now you have Miss Liquor, Sunrise Boss, Colaz Smith in at the house. Which part? In a Portland. Which part of the Portland? Let's see.
You see it in Jamaica, we call it dopey soursop. You don't know if I favor dopey or what make. Then get that name there. But the right name is Nooney, so check it out. Now run go catch back Colaz them, you know. And gone through the bush. So we go catch back Colaz them, you know. Yeah. Gone up through the bush.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the part of the video where they want and would I like all of you to sit down, watch and realize what is going to happen when. Just watch what I want. Just watch the video, look on the video, read your brain and tell your brain what exactly going to happen, because just watch it.
Nice white goat. Yo, talking about view. Wow. Peeps, the view we are active. Look at the view here. Where we are coming from a Portmore, we around so. We around so. Yeah man.
I'm really glad you restored it.
I see what going on. There I can check out Colaz Smith. Yeah man. Fully active man. Yeah. Boss fireside, nothing I cook today enough because you don't know say. The boss need to know say we are forward. I just my guess them now where I link him up. You see pre? So yeah man. Nothing I cook today. Lime tree active. You know what I mean? You everything active. Yeah man. See it all the while on the TV. Now we there. In a real life, pretty and nice. Yeah. Thing active man. Yeah, so we just open. Oh, stand up and go on. Easy bucket, don't know.
We stop this video right so just to talk about this. So the road, if you go up on the hill, there's a road to walk, go up on the hill. Also to walk down the hill. However, them people, them no want that. Them want to walk just like how everybody would walk, go up on the hill, in the bush. Yeah, people, I see this place just as a, it go be so nice when this Airbnb start, because this is the first tour of the house on the hill, the pink house on the hill. Yo. So people, what me I say is, a pure love should not go on about this thing, this house, the vibes, it's like a movie, you know, you watch a movie, a lifestyle movie, you know, so keep watching.
I'm in the view active, so I walk around on the hillside and now go down. So you know you gotta watch your step carefully. One slide and we can. And your view active man. Place active. Yeah.
Yes, credit card.
Fully active. Them say them a beat it yard man style. Cause we have the right password could walk.
People, guess what happened? You see what happened? Kianta, Socks coming at the house. The two visitors them, three of them, the three visitors them are enjoy all at the moment because them get to meet Miss Liquor, then get to meet Colaz, then get to meet Socks, then get to meet Kianta. Me I tell you, them customers there have a nice day, and me I tell you the food look good. When me watch the video, the food make me hungry. Yeah man, Miss Liquor me go come to some of them food because them food they look good. Yeah, so what more can we say? There's not more we can say about this thing. All we have to do, just pray for them, pray for everybody, live good, and do your best. And say a word.
And if they see all we run past all them a place and then all them head, you know, they look and see all seven with us a run and come. So they not go job. No, not job peeps.
I got you. See? You good? No bye. We're almost here.
Yeah, peeps. We finally made it. Yeah, man. Great Socks. Yeah, man, Great Socks house. Real life. Yeah, help mommy. Yeah, man. We're going on. Yeah, you have to step down now. Right foot down.
There you go.
Active man. Yeah, peeps can't tap that boy view active. Whole heap of sweet potato. Sweet potato pudding. Yes, fully active peeps. We're outside. Banana.
I'm a problem.
Oh, Aki tree load.
Wow.
Yes. And they have his cup right there.
Stay there with her.
Aki tree.
Yeah.
Holy Aki.
We climb up to climb it now.
Climber, the climber. Yeah, please, Aki tree, ram up. Holy Aki. Portland fruitful like St. Mary, you know. I don't know which one of them more fruitful. I not take no cussing from nobody, but me I say two of them fruitful. Yeah, man, the two parish them full of fruits. Yeah, man, but to me, St. Mary and Portland, yeah, man, I have some nice fruits. Oh, boss in cooking here. You know what I mean? River run right around the background and stuff. Yeah, man, water run too.
Some people then finish the tour. Then get a tour of the hills, then get a tour of the house, then get a tour of which part Colaz them used to cook a whole heap of time down a Socks yard down on the bottom. Niceness. Now a food time. I tell you say them food that look good. Go and look on it and remember everybody, you can check out Miss Little Kitchen. You can check out Sunrise Boss. Sunrise Boss have an adventure too. Eat some food with them, go up on the river with them, spend some time with them in Jamaica, you know, get a feel of the adventure in Jamaica. Anyway, my people, you know what you do, like, share, comment, not say a word, and if you have nothing good to say, not say a word, keep it away.
tree are full of root. Boss, I ride forward in.
Mr. Socks in the building.
Yeah, man, Socks just reach on him bike to zip. Fully active, man.
Yeah, the great socks, that, you know?
Socks over there, standing great colors, yeah, so. Yeah, man, real life. They pan for them ground today, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Guess them more nice to see, man. Yeah, man, picture time. Right there for our audience. You can't cut the boat. Why? Because they're active.
Yeah.
What? Yeah. I can't believe you did that.
Yeah, the pan we right now, I walk back up on my local general around us. So.
Yeah, man, there are people, huh?
Yeah, man, fully active, man. Colors are going to walk and show against them some plants and I tell them what them good for. And you know them? Yeah, man. The chicken is ready, I know. Chicken like money.
Yeah, just
Yeah, man, it cook like a 5,000 bill. Yeah, man.
my mother can't take too much. Guava? Yes, coming home it tastes like guava.
Guava, I know guava, melon.
Oh, melon,
Yeah, watermelon, star fruit, and ginger.
You could produce it here. I'll say it. It's like half a dumpling, but it's a whole one. Cause this chicken tastes better than Kentucky Fried Chicken. I'm telling you the truth, it tastes good. Yeah. That's the one, you know. Woman, come on. This lady tell me, I met this lady, she moved to Georgia. She said like a German in Westmoreland. Oh, you only come and one German in another. Yeah, but she was a teacher.
See, we put it
Very
good.
bright.
And chicken bar.
God provided. Oh, look how it's set up like a restaurant.
10 chickens in there. Everything active.
Little bit of rice and peas.
Yeah, man. Well, you not kill sunrise now, what you not kill me?
You see, we say the same thing.
Yeah, man.
We're not going
Look at
up
it,
a hill
it's fully active, man.
And Uncle wife said that.
Yeah, man, I feel we saying in Jamaica.
Yeah, I said the same thing.
Yeah, chicken pretty, rice well active. So mommy one coming now.
Thank you very much.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This restaurant, Miss Little's restaurant. Yes.
Fully active. Yeah.
What a vegetable look nice.
Yeah, man.
The Jamaicans is something else.
Yeah, man,
See all this
chicken pretty.
Some of them because we can't finish it.
Yeah, man, look at the fish.
This is so much
nice.
this going on. I don't eat. Yes, I was just saying it. I'm waiting till you come over.
Think you have to push it on. Push on the top eye.
Yeah.
So.
Yes, dear.
I don't up.
Vegetable. Everything looks so. Miss
Active.
Little's favorite restaurant.
Yeah, man. See the peeps big, we are gonna dig in right now.
Then you up there, you just... There you go, like cooking.
Active.
Yeah, man, anytime you're ready, man.
I see him now, but me number change. But go take your number.
Yeah, I give one different number too, guys. So that number there is YouTube. Number there.
That's why I'm change up to
I tell you. Oh, well,
To all of my subscribers, guys, thank you very much for watching that video. That video was very nice to make. That video. While me I make the video, we just a laugh, a smile, and just like to see where I'm going. Sunrise, this video, and Colaz. And I think J-Body did it too. You know, I think J-Body featured one little time in that video. But, you know, so go over on Sunrise. You can watch the whole video, and you can also go over on this little channel and watch that whole video too from Miss Little side. So you can see it from Miss Little side and you see it from Sunrise side. So support, go over there, go over them channel, support them channel. Go over Colaz too, support Colaz, and you don't know, come over here, so support me, like, share and comment, because goodness, gratitude are what we are looking for, and support, because remember, guys, without you guys out there, yeah, you, me don't know the name right now, but without all of you subscribers, all followers, all who comment, like and share, there wouldn't be no Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, there wouldn't be no YouTubers. So respect yourself, enough love, thank you very much, and peace. Remember, if you don't have nothing good to say, don't say it. Just keep it to yourself and make it work out safely. So peace and love, and have a beautiful and a wonderful day. I'm out. Peace.